Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you very much for joining me. Okay, today is 14th of March 2024. Okay, it's around 9:20 a.m. in the morning. Okay, on the left screen, we have the news for this week. All right. So these are the items and these are the news that will be coming out for today. All right, hang on a minute. Okay, then on the right side is a future chart for now. Okay, let's talk about news what we have for today and tomorrow. Okay, today we have a PPI again, tonight rather. So just like what happened on the CPI on last Tuesday, I think today will be another important data as well. All right, so market may be a little bit irrational for now, but please pay attention to 8:30 movement. Okay, this is going to be important. And as you know, hi Ken, as you know, what we have here is that the market is showing some sorts of inflation, further inflation. So if let's say the market is the inflation is not so much in a way, 3.1 to 3.2, market may ignore, all right, but the number is two-way out, right? Then we have a problem. Okay, if the number is too high, what will happen is that the participant of the market, right, will think that the inflation is too high, the Federal Reserve is not going to cut rate, right, or cut rate as aggressively. All right, then they might have a sell down. Okay, so this is something. So of course, we don't know what might take place. So anyway, this is something that we need to be careful on. All right, so we know 8:30 got some big data coming out. So please pay attention to it. Okay. All right, let's start with the analysis together. Okay, on the right, as usual, is our CFD. On the left is our future chart, right? So, all right, hang on a minute now. Just okay. So what is happening right now? So I was expecting market to make a pullback. You can see on the last week, well, sorry, last few days when we did the analysis, I was expecting the market to pull back, and it really pulled back already. Actually, they pull back in the next day already, and after that, the market kind of goes sideways per se. So it's I think they have already touched some sort of support already. Okay, and for the retail trader, they were minus 94. I was a bit put it this way, confident on the pullback because you know lah, they are minus 94. They are two over like a stretch already for the retail traders, but now they are only minus 66. So basically, in this past few days, it looked nothing really, but actually a lot of retail traders have been stopped out already. I think they are stopped out within these few days here. All right, so I think since the market is not really extreme anymore, they are even minus 66, almost neutral per se already, right? So I will be kind of like not really that bearish anymore. I think we will go into the sideways momentum in my opinion. All right, so I will be neutral. Last Tuesday I was bearish. Okay, I'll be neutral. So if you really want to buy in, if you really want to buy in, we will need a bit of a bullish price action first. Okay, so I think maybe by end of today. All right, so I will just KIV for now. I'm not really trading anything for this guy. Okay, so this is already happened. So I'm gonna take it away. Okay, so we need more clue for our next direction. All right, they already go down here, touch ready. So the next is just the last 2 days, just nothing but the sideways. So I expecting neutral here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Euro USD. All right, Euro USD, same thing. Right side is future. Left side is the CFD. Okay, this thing is slightly different in a way. I kind of like interested in what happened yesterday. You see, yesterday the candle is rather quite large actually. You see, and then some of the volume is quite huge. So we need to a bit careful on this. This one maybe we might have enough strength to push the market higher. Okay, so we look at the high volume kind of condition. So market have a bit of like a huge push that trying to break the market higher. So something quite similar to this candle. Of course, this candle number one is, I mean, of course, more, I mean, in the bigger version or grander version, right? So it's something quite similar in my opinion. All right. If it is there, the similarity is there, what we might have is that we might have this kind of case scenario in my opinion. All right. So as of now, right? We have a nearest swing is here. All right. And yesterday candle is kind of like a bullish candle. So I think market will likely to swing back to swing back to this level in my opinion. All right. So I'm kind of bullish on this guy, and currently 1.098 is highly possible. Our weekly plan is our market composition weekly plan is slightly bullish, and of course it's bullish now. And our weekly plan is neutral, at least not bearish. So I think market may likely to go to 1.098. Okay, it's bullish, gentlemen. Don't short on this. If you think of selling, definitely not now, not today. Okay, I think market will likely to go here. All right. So anyway, I have this direction first, so I will keep it for a while. Let's see how they unfold. I think market will likely to do this kind of trick in my opinion. All right. They will go to here. They will do a bit of stop hunt or even higher to the level. So as of right now, I repeat, do not short, gentlemen. Okay. Do not sell it at the moment. Okay. Another one is Aussie. Aussie also, we have a similar condition right now. All right, I think they are not really ready for a big pullback to the downside. They come to here, they met with some decent strong resistance already, support already, sorry. And I think the market is trying to really break out higher. Same thing, all have a same pattern. Guys, careful. Looks like something is up here. Okay, we are in the beginning of something. All right, we are in the beginning of something. Of course, I mean we cannot really say it will be up or down, but something big is coming in already. All right. The way that I look at it, maybe to the upsides potentially. Okay, so this guy is quite similar to British pound. Sorry, quite similar to euro. I think market will retest likely to the above side. Okay, so don't sell, gentlemen. All right, so it's also bullish. Okay, don't sell, gentlemen. I think it will go back to retest the previous this kind of region, 0.665, this kind of stuff. All right, this kind of stuff I think highly possible. All right, the next one. Don't sell, guys. Don't sell. Okay. New Zealand also surprisingly quite interesting. Okay, let me explain. There's one more reason why they are quite interesting as well. Okay, in the recent day, we have a very strong retail trader overstretch, right? There was minus 85. That means out of 100 retail traders, 85 of them are selling. All right, so they have been selling. So the moment they stop out, the market go down a little bit, but not, now they are no longer selling anymore. They are currently is 59. So basically 59 is almost 50-50, right? So that means whoever sell around here, all the retail traders are already all stop out already. Okay, already all stop already. So I will be kind of like thinking the market will like to rebound up higher in my opinion. So this whole move for the past 3-4 days to the downside to here is nothing but to stop out all the retail traders. Okay, so retail trader positions are now is back to the neutral level, which is plus minus 50 plus region already. So I think if it's time for them to build another position again. So that means if the market go up higher, what the retail trader will do. Of course, they will add on sell again, right? And they are not extreme yet, right? So I think we might have a bit of room for them to go up, in my opinion. Okay, let's see. Okay. And let's take a look on the New Zealand also. So we have same thing. We are at this congested trenches level. That's a reason why market is starting to show signs of pulling right back. I think they might do a bit of pullback, in my opinion. Looks like US dollar might weak against major currency at this moment. Okay. So New Zealand also don't sell, guys. All right. Okay. All right. So anyway, we still need to watch out this news tonight. So anything can happen as well. Of course, nothing is 100% all the time. Okay. Basically, we are playing, I don't know how many dimension. We are more than 3D. We are playing more than 3D chess. Okay. So if you think trading is easy, think of that way. Okay. We are playing higher dimension than the 3D chess. We have a lot of parameters coming into the market. So the participant, which are the trader mean what? They can be an investor, like they can be a short-term trader, they can be a 1 minute time frame trader, they can be a 1 day time frame trader. All kind of traders are acting differently and are creating the market movement. All right. So basically, we have a lot of factors that we can consider. I mean, of course, we cannot consider everything of them, but we try to consider quite an important one. All right. So now gold. Okay, our goal is actually is our weekly plan is bullish. I think we are on the back to the trend again. All right. It was minus 75, right? So they were kind of borderline extreme. Then they pull back down, so they stop out some of the retail traders. Now they are minus 69. So I think at the moment the price right now is better than going buy here. Currently is even better condition. I mean, here you buy, you are buying with the minus 79. Now you buy, you're buying with only minus 69. All right, sorry. Here you buy with minus 75. Here you buy with minus 69. So I think currently is a better condition. I think the gold will likely to retest here, in my opinion. They will likely to retest to 2190. Okay, so don't sell, gentlemen. Okay, I'm on a bullish mode as well. Okay, at least today don't sell. Okay. All right, let's move on now. Let's move on. Silver. I'm interested in silver. Okay, because silver, our market composition was recommending to be on the buy side. Okay. Silver is good as well. All right, silver is good as well. Of course, is you can say it's a little bit late, but I mean, at least do not short. Okay. Silver, I think we have a decent volume coming in. I think silver is going to go up higher as well. So, if you want, you can try to wait around here for some kind of support and buy, this kind of stuff. But of course, you may not. If market go directly up higher, you will lose your chance because you are waiting with the pending position. But anyway, do not sell. Okay, guys, do not sell. I think silver is going to go a lot higher as well. Okay, currently the recommend is around minus 75. Oh, okay, hang on. In that case, okay, let me compare two cases for you. Silver is minus 75, gold is minus 69. I think silver is kind of making a bit of like a strong high. Um, I mean, okay, what do you think? What do you prefer? I am okay with both. Um, okay, I mean, you choose either one. I don't want to recommend and which one is better already. Okay, but anyway, both of them do not sell. Simple. All right, do not sell. I think the market is really on the runaway mode. You see, look at the price session. They don't really even stay on the downside. They really straight away close at the high levels. I mean, the whole day was a pure strong buying. All right, so I think the momentum is very strong on the buy side. I think market will likely to drift up higher. Don't sell, gentlemen. Okay. So today I would say my KIV, okay, just put it this way. My recommendation, I have two now, gold and silver. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the US dollar Canadian. Okay, US dollar Canadian is a bit kind of in the sideways mode. They have not really doing anything much. And in terms of retail trader, they are also minus 54. Minus 54. One thing I noticed up here, okay, looks like they have a runaway up. And here they may have a runaway up, right? So Canadian dollar is going up higher. That means US dollar Canadian can go up lower. Okay, something quite interesting. All right. So this one we need to be careful on. Currently, we look at the price action, it's really nothing but is crawling inside, just like this. So I will be neutral for now. Okay. So anyway, we have two pair for us to monitor on. All right. Okay, another one is US dollar Swiss franc. This week is tricky, because you see, Monday, Tuesday, one direction, and Wednesday they kind of like like split, kind of like going sideways. Now they are starting to show the different directions. I mean, there's a trend, there is a trend direction in the middle of the week. Okay, so this week is a little bit tricky. Okay, so this guy also roughly quite similar. We might have a case. You see, here's a one trench to push the price. After that, they like nothing really go on. Then they have another minor volume, and they have another volume. This volume is rather huge, and we have another volume. So I think they are trying to price in this, in my opinion. So uh, in this case, US dollar Swiss franc might go up. Sorry, Swiss franc might go up higher, might causing the US dollar Swiss franc to go lower. So this might be the trend. Okay, as of right now, same thing. We are in the very right uh range mode. So I will be more on the neutral mode at this moment. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Okay, US dollar JPY. Mm, okay, I think this is interesting now. Okay, hang on. Okay, we have a good participant of volume here, push the market, then push up higher. Then after that, their volume was kind of flat, and they here got another attempt. After that, there's not much volume. Then they are now pushing up again. So I think what they're trying to do is they're trying to go to the Japanese yen, try to go up higher. If the Japanese yen going to higher, this US dollar JPY to go lower. All right. So I think this so-called direction is good in my opinion. All right. So recently we are trying to look for here for a potential buy, right? Remember, this is not happening yet. So I think first, either way, I think the market will go to here first. Okay, so 145 is the level of your target should be. I think market will likely to roll over soon. Okay, so I'm neutral or slightly bearish. This is my first KIB for today. I'm looking for a short, by the way, toward 146 level. All right, so KIB. I'm looking for a slightly bearish scenario. Okay, so this is my first KIB today. Okay, and if you notice, we have a pending position on US British pound JPY, right? Let's take a look. Okay. So maybe by today or latest by tomorrow morning, let's say that tomorrow we have a bearish candle. We are going to move our sell position to going to the lower level for the downward so-called play in my opinion. All right. So either I move the what we call it the pending position near to that level for participant or by end of today. Okay, which is tomorrow morning. Okay. I expect market to go lower, gentlemen. Do you have British pound JPY pending position? I do. We have already announced in the group already. Okay, so I'm waiting for this. Either by today or tomorrow, I will try to get close with the current price, and I try to enter with the in the potentiality of market going down lower. All right. Okay, so this on the British pound JPY. Let's continue. Okay. All right. This guy. Okay, this guy is tricky as usual. I'm neutral, slightly bearish at the moment. As per the weekly plan, so basically it's nothing, right? They are just keep on going up. Okay, so I think the market is still trying to push up higher. So let's see. Okay, don't sell, gentlemen. Don't sell. Okay, don't sell. Our Thursday information also slightly bullish. Now also slightly bullish. Don't sell. Okay. US market still got a bit of a way to go. Okay, just to give you something in advance, something fundamental. Okay, I cannot prove it on the technical chart. Okay, let me go back here. I cannot prove it on the technical chart. Okay, but something fundamental. Okay, this fundamental items that I'm tracking on, right? Is hang on now. The fundamental item that I'm tracking on, right? Because of there's a money flow condition that going on in the US. Market will likely to be bullish until to the last week of March. I repeat, market will likely to be bullish until the last week of March. So basically, we are on 14, right? So we still got around 10 days. That means 2 weeks, right? We still got around 1.5 weeks, right? 10 days, right? So I think within this 1.5 week of trading, try not to short try not to be risk off at this moment. Okay, because I think the market will likely to drift to the upside until then. Okay, I hope you are clear on this. Please keep that in mind. This is not a technical data. It's more of the fundamental condition. So won't be so bearish on the Forex US market until last week of this month. Let me after 25. Okay. So yeah, please be aware of that. All right. So currently bullish, put it this way. Hong Kong is with this few weeks we have, Hong Kong is a really money pooler, right? We have made quite a good amount of money from Hong Kong, trading Hong Kong. Currently, I have one more position left, right? Previously I closed few of them. Then I still got one more position left. I am going to stay whole. And I think in the near future, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on adding. Don't talk about selling at all. Don't talk about selling. Hong Kong, either you buy or you wait for the pullback and you another buy in again. Okay, are you with me on this one? So I'm focusing on another buying opportunity again. Okay. So Hong Kong, bullish gentlemen. We still have a position, some of them. All right. Bullish gentlemen. Don't short. Okay, another one is DEX. DEX should follow the US market. All right. So I think market will later pull back a bit, gonna bounce up really. So same thing. Until to the end of the 25th of March, that kind of period, try not to short. I don't think market will be going down until then. Okay. All right. So another one is the crude oil. All right. Let's focus on crude oil. Okay. Wow. Crude oil, I was a bit I want to protect my profit. I end up moving my stop loss up to protect my profit and end up, it's close my position with the profit. Should have been holding it and, market might well do it better. But anyway, I mean, who knows, right? This all on the high side. But anyway, crude oil, we already closed the position with the profit already. I think market is about to go up higher as well. Maybe we will scale back in with on the buy side later. All right. So this on the crude oil, at least don't sell, gentlemen. All right, don't sell. Bullish as well. Okay, and let me continue with another superstar. You know what are they, right? Okay, which in terms of our market composition, they are not full-blown bullish just yet. Okay, in terms of market condition or market composition, they are not full-blown bullish yet. So I think we will need to be careful. And because markets still believe that it's going to go down lower. All right. This is a kind of how to say, it's a kind of normal characteristic of the market when the market is in the very potential early move of bullish stage. So we have a lot of up and down kind of thingy. Only one in the last phase of bull state, that means every day will go up one. If every day go up means almost likely there's a last part of the bullish stage ready because everybody agree on one side, they keep on going up, right? So this is the kind of potential sign that I want to emphasize the word here. Potential sign that the market is in the early bullish stage. So no hurry to long at all, no rush. Just try, look for a price action, buy in slowly, this kind of stuff. Okay. I will not add any position anymore. All right. Remember we have a soybean. Soybean, right? Let me check my position. Hang on. Let me check my position. I share with you my Excel sheet, right? My position Excel sheet every time. Okay, I got one wheat position. I got two soybean position. Okay, so I will be stay holding. All right, but I won't be adding because of course we use technical analysis to do the timing, right? So let's see how it's go. All right. So currently neutral. Put it this way. Don't add any long. Okay. Try to tahan a bit. Soybean is good. Okay. Same thing. We have a two position. Actually, yesterday one position was only added yesterday. So well, just let it play out first. Okay. No adding, no shorting. Just sit down and enjoy the ride. Okay. I think it's going to go up higher. All right. Corn. Corn should be the same. Okay. Okay. Corn is quite similar to wheat. All right. They are kind of like rolling over a little bit. So just KIV for now. Okay, I think market will likely to roll over, maybe come back to this kind of support level, then they will go up higher. Okay, so wait and buy. The right word will be wait and buy. Anyway, this is already happened already, so I'm gonna take it out. So anyway, overall stay bullish. I think market will likely to go up higher. It's just that we wait and buy. No hurry to long because we don't have any price action on our side. Okay, so we wait and buy. All right, let's move on to Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is still on the pretty much on a very bullish mode. All right, for Bitcoin, we need to look at other data that are available. Okay, let me show. Same thing. On the left is our, those Coinbase kind of condition. On the right is our CFD. All right. So Bitcoin, there's a little bit there's a little bit of warning all the while. Looks like this is a very strong sell down. And from there, market kind of like didn't have any high volume. That means there's not much participant in this move up. Okay, so this is a bit more like a warning only. All right, because I mean the price action stay bullish. Who are we to be bearish, right? So just be careful a little bit. All right, careful a little bit. So I will be slightly bullish today. All right, unless there's a price action of bearishness come back in. So number one, slightly bullish. Okay, let me take a look on the retail trade on this. Okay, you can see here the main driver that causing the crypto to go up is this guy. That means a lot of central banks are minting the new supply into the market. That means basically they are diluting the US dollar supply, US dollar stable coin supply. All right. So hopefully, that means whenever they mint the new US dollar crypto in the crypto form, they better be backed by the real money. Okay, that is something that we have to be very careful. Okay, because in the stablecoin issuer, there are a few stablecoin issuer, right? USDC, and they also have USDT. Of course, USDT is a major one. Okay, the rest is quite small. So main is these two fella, right? So talk about USDC a bit. Okay, USDC, from what I know, they have a real audited sort of like a backing. So that means whenever there's a 1 billion USDT in the market, that means they have a really 1 billion worth of asset they hold, either in the US dollar form or they are in the treasury form. Okay, so USDC is not so bad in a way, but something what worry me is USDT. All right. So let's say one day they've been keep on minting or minting mean printing, nothing different. So they keep on printing this USDT, and people start to realize that they are just printing and nothing is backing it. That would be a big problem. Okay. I mean, this is what we one day lah, right? If it is true. Okay. So this is something. But as of right now, market is obviously they are printing. Okay. So as the rule of thumb go, as long as they keep printing, the market should go up higher. Right. So just be careful. I'm overall slightly bullish. I'll be just monitoring closely. Okay, on this one. So Bitcoin, is slightly bullish today. Just monitoring closely. That's it. All right. If you want to sell, you better be waiting on it. All right. At least don't go in because price action is not on your side, right? Okay. Another one is next guess. Okay, next case is a very tricky one. One time up, one time down. Okay, we don't add position on the long side. It is not bullish at all. All right, it's not bullish at all. So let's see how it go. And the next case, if you notice, right, hang on. If you notice this one, they have a kind of like a swing level here, right? They have a swing level here, and now they are coming back to this swing level. So let's see whether they can rebound back or not. But as of right now, we are not seeing yet. So I'm slightly bearish on next case. Okay, we have one position on next guess. Okay, we are not always winning all the time for sure. We are just another trader. All right, we are nothing different. So at least I won't add any more position. All right, so let's see. All right, at least I won't add more position. Let's see. Hopefully, right, market will with all the SXX US dollar potentially going up. All right, hopefully this guy will turn corner as well. Even the RUTI already go up already. So I hope Nesca will follow soon as well. Right. So let's see how it go. Nesca is currently, I won't be adding any long at the moment. Okay. So any question at this moment? Okay, let me just have a quick recap. Okay. Apparently we this week we have a bit of like a middle kind of like a sort of like 10ing over. All right. Currently SXS USD are quite bullish. All right. I would like to recommend you on the go and saver on the buy side. Okay. Just keep one thing in your mind. Tonight, guys, please pay attention to this fella. This fella is like last Thursday, Tuesday, right? The data is not much of the big difference. I think market can be risk on. Okay. Risk on in go up, saver go up, stock market go up, this kind of stuff. But let's say this number is way too high, then that would be a problem. Okay, so this is something that you need to pay attention to for today. All right. Okay, thank you very much.